Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenRun headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these headphones into pairing mode. Now if you look at the one side here, you have the plus button and the minus button here. Okay, now when this is in pairing mode, we'll know it's in pairing mode when it's blinking here, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. So first thing we got to do is turn these headphones off. So let me turn it, they're currently on. Let me press and hold that power button for a few seconds till these turn off. Pressing the plus button, wait. Okay, there's a red light, now it's off. Now, while it is off, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press and hold the plus button again, but I'm gonna keep holding and wait until it starts blinking blue, red, which would indicate it's in pairing mode. Okay, so the headphones are currently off, the plus button is here. Ready, press and hold, keep holding, wait. We want blue, red, still holding. There we go, blue, red. Now it's in pairing mode. Now, leave it just like that. And we're gonna shoot over to our computer here, and you just wanna do in the search bar, just go directly to your Bluetooth settings. You can just type in Bluetooth down there, Bluetooth and other devices right there. From here, we're gonna select Bluetooth and other devices right there. Now make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and then we're gonna tap this up here, add Bluetooth other device. So let's select that plus sign. Now we're going to select the first one here. It says Bluetooth here. Select that. Now you see this line that's going across there. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range. It's still in the pairing mode. And I'm in an apartment right now, so all these are coming up from all the neighbors here. And where's it at here? There's more showing. Oh, there we go. OpenRun by SHOKZ. There we go. Oops, there it is right there. Let me highlight it. Let me select it. It says connecting. And voila, we're connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Let me click on done right there. And you can see that we're connected here, okay, under audio. I have a lot of other headphones and earbuds connected to this computer here, but you can see the OpenSwim Pro right down, or I'm sorry, the OpenRun right there. And that one says connected, okay? Anyway, if you guys had problems, can't put this in pairing mode or issues connecting, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.